Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nikade Sri Yunastuti. My study number is 2017-05-1111. On this occasion, I will discuss an article that I read with the title Financial Performance of Go Public Companies During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Previously, you must have known about the coronavirus. Well, uh, this coronavirus is a virus that can cause COVID-19 disease and first appeared in Wuhan, China around the end 2019. The Indonesian government has taken steps to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 outbreak due to an increase in the number of patients. The COVID-19 pandemic has not only impact Indonesia health, but also in economy. The coronavirus pandemic has caused a lot of concern among business in the real and financial sector. This has a severe impact on the performance of companies around the world. In this article, the main topic is discussing and analyzing difference in financial performance after and before the COVID-19 pandemic in trading, service, and investment sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. The trade, service, and investment sector were chosen as the sample because the most significant economic impact was felt on financial market and industry such as the manufacturing, tourism, hospitality, and travel sector. To analyze this, the researchers use a comparative method, namely by comparing the state of one or more variable into more of different samples or at two different times. In Indonesia Stock Exchange in the trading service and investment sector 2020, there were 190 97 companies, but only 143 companies were sampled that met the criteria based on the purposive sampling method. And the variable used include uh, number one is liquidity ratio. It's a ratio that reflects the company ability to pay its current short-term, and the formula for the calculating this ratio can be used in the slide. Number two, solvency ratio is the ratio that shows the extent to which the expenditure exceeds investment as well as the ability to pay interest and other fixed expense. And the formula for calculating this ratio can be used on the slide. The number three, activity ratio is a metric that determines how efficiently a company uses all of its resources. Number four, profitability ratio is a metric that evaluates a company capacity to make money. Next. From this study, it could be concluded that the liquidity ratio of trading service and investment sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange did not have a significant difference before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. Likewise, on the solvency ratio of trading service and investment sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange has a significant difference before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. Uh, Number three, activity ratio. Activity ratio of trading, service, and investment sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange has a significant difference before and during the COVID-19 pandemic. Finally, profitability ratio of significant difference before and during the COVID-19 have a significant difference before and during the COVID-19. Well, that's all I can explain Sorry if there are wrong words, and thank you.